Welcome back to TechWave Reviews. Today, we've rounded up the 20 coolest car gadgets on Amazon that you'll absolutely need in 2024. Whether you're a road trip lover or just want to upgrade your daily commute, these gadgets are must-haves. Without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing the Staysafe Fire Extinguisher, your ultimate firefighting sidekick. This little powerhouse is ready to take on almost anything, from electrical mishaps like short circuits to those everyday accidents involving fabric, paper, or even the wood in your fireplace. Got modern gadgets? No worries. It can even handle those tricky lithium-ion battery fires from your devices. What makes it even cooler? Unlike messy powder extinguishers, it uses a liquid formula that's safe around electricals, so your precious gear stays protected. Tested to the max and certified to international standards, this thing means business. And get this, it's so easy to use, even the kids can help in an emergency. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Staysafe Fire Extinguisher is the ultimate hero you'll want by your side. Meet the Govee interior car lights, the perfect way to light up your night drives in style. Just plug the cable into your car's DC adapter, stick the switch near your gearbox, and place the LED strips under your seats. Boom, instant mood lighting. With the easy-to-use app, you can control everything from your phone. Turn the lights on or off with a tap, or customize the colors to match your vibe, whether it's cool blues, fiery reds, or anything in between. This gadget is the ultimate way to make your evening drives more fun and stylish. Introducing the Valorcielo Car Assist Bar, your portable helping hand for easy entry and exit from any vehicle. This smart, tool-free accessory attaches right to your car's door lock, offering a super convenient solution for seniors or anyone with mobility challenges. Need a little extra stability? The sturdy handrail securely supports your weight, making sitting down or standing up a breeze. It's tough enough to handle up to 300 pounds, yet lightweight and easy to transfer between cars. Plus, the rubberized grip gives you a comfy, non-slip hold, and the bright color makes it easy to spot, especially for those with low vision. Whether you're on the go or at home, the Valorcielo Car Assist Bar has your back for a smooth ride in and out. Introducing the Rove Viva, your ultimate road companion. This Bluetooth car charger brings Siri and Google Assistant right to your fingertips, so you can stay focused on driving while handling your smartphone with ease. With voice commands, you can make calls, play your favorite tunes, and set up navigation, all without taking your eyes off the road. Talk about hands-free convenience. Plus, it comes with 2 USB ports to keep your devices charged up, and a handy LED light lets you know when you're connected or when a call is coming in. Stay powered, stay connected, and stay safe with Rove Viva, your must-have gadget for smarter, safer drives. Introducing the Rohent Baby Car Camera, the perfect solution for parents who want to keep a close eye on their little ones during car rides, ensuring sharp and crystal-clear visuals of your baby's surroundings. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens, you can easily observe your child from multiple angles, giving you peace of mind no matter where you sit in the car. Plus, with infrared night vision, you'll have clear monitoring even in low-light conditions, so you can see what's going on anytime. Installation is a breeze. Just attach it to your dashboard or headrest with a sturdy bracket and connect it to your car's cigarette outlet for power using the video cable. Overall, the Rohent Baby Car Camera is the ideal choice for parents seeking a reliable and high-quality video monitoring system to ensure their little ones are safe and sound on every journey. Tired of the struggle when cleaning the underside of your car? Say goodbye to that hassle with the WarmQ Undercarriage Car Cleaner. This revolutionary gadget takes the stress out of car maintenance with its 4 innovative nozzles that easily attach to your pressure washer. Designed with a unique shape, it effortlessly glides under your vehicle, blasting away dirt and grime from even the toughest spots. And with built-in rollers, you can maneuver it with ease. No more straining yourself while trying to reach those hard-to-get areas. Plus, the telescopic handle adjusts to your needs, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the size of your car. Make cleaning a breeze and keep your ride sparkling with the WarmQ Undercarriage Cleaner. Looking to upgrade your car mount? Let me introduce you to the Marvo Solar Phone Mount, a game-changer for your driving experience. With just a simple press of a button, the wings open automatically to provide a secure grip for your phone, so you can focus on the road ahead. The silicone cover ensures a firm attachment, while you can easily switch between vertical and horizontal modes to suit your needs. What really sets this mount apart is its solar charging feature, keeping your phone powered up while you drive. Plus, there's a handy Type-C backup charging port for those extra power needs. Make your drive safer and more convenient with the Marvo Solar Phone Mount. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly plugging in your phone for Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto with a Carlinkit 4.0 wireless adapter. This innovative gadget features dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, powered by a high-performance dual-core chip, ensuring a stable and seamless streaming experience every time you're on the road. With the Carlinkit 4.0, you can enjoy wireless Android Auto on your car display, while Apple users benefit from the same hassle-free connectivity. It's compatible with most phone models and easily integrates with your car's original OEM CarPlay system. Just plug it in. Installation takes only 10 seconds, and you'll have access to all your favorite wired CarPlay apps, now available hands-free with simple Hi Siri and Hi Google commands. No bulky app downloads required. If you spend a lot of time in your car, the Carlinkit 4.0 wireless adapter is the perfect upgrade for effortless connectivity and convenience.
Don't miss out.
Introducing the Rove R2 4K Dashcam, your ultimate road companion. Ever encountered those erratic drivers? Take control and keep a watchful eye with this amazing dashcam. The Rove R2 acts as your vigilant co-pilot, recording all the action and protecting you from unwarranted liabilities. With a powerful 4K camera and a Sony Starvis sensor, you'll get clear footage even in low-light conditions. Plus, its distortion correction algorithm ensures undistorted video, no fisheye effects here. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and the Roav app for instant viewing on your iOS or Android device. Download and share videos with ease. The built-in GPS tracks your route on Google Maps, providing accurate records of your location and speed. With features like an f1.8 aperture, auto-triggered parking mode, and support for up to 512GB micro SD cards, this dashcam is engineered to handle extreme temperatures. Plus, the included user manual makes setup a breeze. Drive with confidence and capture every moment with the Rove R2 4K dashcam. Introducing the Chargerman Tesla J1772 car adapter, your go-to solution for fast and secure electric vehicle charging. This essential adapter is universally compatible with all non-Tesla EVs equipped with J1772 charging ports, making it super versatile. Not only does it allow you to use a Tesla charging port, but it also works seamlessly with Tesla wall connectors, destination chargers, and mobile connectors, delivering rapid charging for a variety of electric vehicles. Compact and portable, it easily fits into your glove box, ensuring you have charging access wherever you go. With rapid charging speeds of up to 80 amps and 40 kilowatt hours, you can get a full charge in just 4 hours. While it's not designed for DC fast charging at 40 kilowatts, this adapter handles intense AC power loads like a champ. Plus, with a robust double lock and key system, the Chargerman Tesla charging adapter guarantees secure and confident charging every time. Don't miss out on this game changer for your electric vehicle. The Escort Max 360C2, this ultimate tool for safe and carefree driving. While I'm all for responsible driving, we all know those moments when you want to let loose a little, especially when the road is clear. That's where this laser radar detector comes in handy to help you dodge those pesky speeding tickets. Setting it up is a breeze. Just mount it on your windshield, and you're ready to roll. With built-in Wi-Fi, it seamlessly integrates with connected cars, keeping you in the loop. Its clear, visible arrows provide 360-degree threat detection, showing you exactly where potential dangers are coming from. The real game changer is its auto-learn technology, which intelligently filters out false alerts from specific locations, so you're not constantly bombarded with unnecessary warnings. Plus, it gives you ample warning time, allowing you to adjust your speed before it's too late. Drive smart and stay one step ahead with the Escort Max 360C2. Introducing the Mojipic Emoji car display, the fun way to jazz up your ride. This captivating LED display lets you express yourself like never before. With a dedicated mobile app, you can choose from thousands of emojis, smiles, and lively animations to showcase your mood or message. Whether you're announcing a baby on board or cheering for your favorite team, this display has got you covered. Plus, unleash your creativity by crafting your own images and texts for a personal touch. Installation is a breeze. Just stick it on any window, and you're good to go. It even integrates seamlessly with Siri and Google Assistant for secure, hands-free operation. But wait, there's more. It comes loaded with preloaded 8-bit games, ensuring your passengers are entertained on those long journeys. Make every drive an adventure with the Mojipic Emoji car display. Introducing the Emergency LED Road Warning Kit, your must-have companion for roadside emergencies. When visibility is key, this kit has you covered. Equipped with 4 powerful lights that can illuminate up to a mile away and shine in a full 360-degree direction, you'll be impossible to miss. Just place the lights around your vehicle, activate them, and choose from various emergency flashing modes to alert others. With its magnetic mechanism and handy hook, attaching the lights to your car is a breeze. Plus, it comes with a compact bag and screws for added convenience, ensuring you're always prepared when you need it most. Stay safe and be seen with the Emergency LED Road Warning Kit. Meet the CRKT Exit Emergency Tool, your ultimate companion for unexpected road emergencies. Being prepared is key, and this compact multi-tool is here to help you when it matters most. Designed specifically for car accidents, it features a sturdy glass breaker to assist with quick exits and a built-in belt cutter for those moments when your safety belt is compromised. For swift access, simply clip this essential tool right onto your safety belt. Stay safe and ready for anything with the CRKT Exit Emergency Tool. Slime Flat Tire Puncture Kit. Discover an innovative tire inflator that features a unique slime sealant that proficiently repairs punctures up to a 1/4 inch from the inside. This effective slime repair can endure over 500 miles, allowing ample time to safely reach a tire repair facility. Beyond its puncture repairing capability, this inflator functions like a regular one. Simply plug it into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with the push of a button. The built-in digital display enables real-time tracking of tire pressure. And for excess air, there's a dedicated deflate button solely for that purpose. Say goodbye to fuel shortages with the TerraPump, your ultimate solution for hassle-free refueling. No more messy spills or long waits at the pump. Installation is a breeze. Just attach it to your fuel can, insert the nozzle into your gas tank, and press the button to kick off the transfer. With an impressive speed of 2.5 gallons per minute, you'll be back on the road in no time. Plus, the pump automatically stops when your tank is full, so you can relax and let it do the work. But that's not all. This versatile device isn't just for your car, it also efficiently refuels your bike, lawnmower and gas generator, making every refueling experience easy and mess-free. Get ready to fuel up with the TerraPump and enjoy the ride. Meet the Big Boy Blower Mini, the ultimate car dryer that's about to become your new best friend. This compact powerhouse dries your car in a flash, so you're ready to hit the road in minutes. But it doesn't stop there. It's also perfect for blowing away pesky hood dust and giving your wheels a thorough clean. With a generous 10-foot hose and 3 versatile nozzles, you can tackle every nook and cranny with ease. Choose from 3 temperature settings to match different materials, ensuring your car stays in top shape. And don't worry about noise. The low-noise design and twin filter system make this blower super quiet while still getting the job done. Plus, at just 5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to store. Get ready to elevate your car care routine with the Big Boy Blower Mini. Say goodbye to dropped calls and weak signals with the WeBoost Signal Booster. Whether you're road tripping through remote areas or just navigating low coverage zones, this gadget ensures you stay connected no matter where you are. It comes with 3 main components: an outside antenna, signal amplifier, and inside antenna that work together to boost and distribute a stronger cellular signal throughout your vehicle. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need is included in the package. Plus, there's a built-in USB port for charging your phone, so you're always powered up. Whether you're in a car, truck, or van, the compact design lets you tuck it neatly under the seat, concealing cables for a clean look. Stay connected, charge your devices, and even access 5G networks effortlessly with the WeBoost Signal Booster. Transform your driving experience with the Hudway Drive head-up display. Keep your eyes on the road while accessing essential information with ease. This sleek gadget connects to your phone via Bluetooth, seamlessly integrating with your favorite navigation apps to display directions, notifications, and texts, all without taking your focus off the road. Its minimalist design fits perfectly into any car interior and even allows hands-free phone calls for added convenience. Installation? Super quick, it takes just seconds. It supports side and rear view cameras with wide-angle, weatherproof bodies and night vision, ensuring you have clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Stay safe, connected, and stylish with the Hudway Drive head-up display. So there you have it, 20 of the coolest car gadgets you can find on Amazon in 2024. Whether you want to boost your car's performance, enhance safety, or just make your ride more fun, these gadgets have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming tech reviews. Thanks for watching TechWave Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.